Do you wanna be healthier this 2017? Gusto mo rin bang kumita ng extra cash? May good news kami sa'yo! We are proud to announce about our big project this 2017 and we call it Project Healthier Pinoy. It is our mission to encourage Pinoys to live a healthier life through organic way of living and grow a huge community of health advocate entrepreneurs. May gusto kaming ipanood na 13-minute video sa'yo. At sa short video na ito ay may health tips kaming ibibigay sa'yo at matututunan mo rin ang tungkol sa advocacy namin at kung paano kumikita ng extra cash ang mga members namin. We will provide you with powerful online tools, online training and support, kaya kahit busy ka or baguhan, kayang-kaya mong magawa ito. Kailangan mong magmadali dahil limited lang ang slots ng pwede namin tanggapin sa buwan na ito. If you wanna learn more, click mo agad ang link na kasama sa video na ito.